Hi, I'm Schelley with the Employers Association. Today we're going to talk about Microsoft Excel, and I'll share with you one of Schelley's shortcuts. Let's check it out. Here we have a pretty intimidating spreadsheet. Data can evolve, it can change and grow. What if I need to get to the bottom of this large block of data? I sure wouldn't want to have to scroll. I'm going to click on cell A1. I'm going to hold Control on my keyboard and tap my down arrow. Arrow keys are located on the lower right side of your keyboard. To navigate back to the beginning of the data, we're going to do the opposite. Hold the Control key and tap the arrow up. Left and right work the same. This is just one way that we can navigate through a large spreadsheet. There are over 350 keyboard shortcuts. I'm going to go back to cell A1. Hover my mouse over the top of the cell. I'm going to hover my mouse over the bottom of the cell. My cursor changes. I now see the four-way directional arrow. The four-way arrow indicates that we can move something. Hover over the bottom of cell A1 and double-click. Hover over the top of the cell and double-click. This works the same as using the Control keyboard shortcuts. Learning key tips and shortcuts in Microsoft Office helps ensure that you and your team are efficiently using the program to their fullest potential. The Employers Association offers a wide range of public computer classes, or we can bring the classes on site to you and your team. Also, we now offer instructor-led interactive webinars where you can log in from the comfort of your own personal computer. Visit our website to register for your upcoming trainings. Thank you.